Elephant. Elephants are the largest existing land animals. Lion. The lion is a large cat of the genus Panthera native Africa. Tiger. The tiger is the largest living cat species and a member of the genus Panthera. Giraffe. The giraffe is a large African hoofed mammal. Cheetah. The cheetah is the fastest land animal. Zebra. Zebras are African equines with distinctive black and white striped. Foxes. Most fox species are known to be friendly. Wolf. The wolf, also known as the grey wolf or grey wolf. Bear. Bears are carnivorous mammals of the family Ursidae. Horse. The horse is a domesticated. Sheep. Sheep or domesticated sheep are domesticated. Cow. Cows is very friendly animal. Pig. The pig often called swine. Rabbit. Rabbits are small mammals in the family Leopardidae. Monkey. Monkeys are generally considered to be intelligent. Deer. Deer or true deer are hoofed ruminant mammals. Camel. Camel is a desert animal. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are four marsupials from the family. Dolphin. Dolphin species belong to the families Delphinidae. Turtle. Turtles are an order of reptiles known as testudines. Cat. The cat is a domestic species of small carnivorous mammal. Dog. Dogs were the first species to be domesticated. Bull. Bull is an intact adult male of the species Bos taurus. Alligator. Alligator of the family Alligatoridae. Donkey. The domestic donkey is a hoofed mammal in the family Equidae. Gorilla. Gorillas are herbivorous. Hen. The chicken is a domesticated jungle fowl species. Panda. The jail panda is a bear species endemic to China.